morning from Walley Plumbing Company. We're here early this morning. It's bad weather outside. Sometimes we get here super early and eat together, cook breakfast on the griddle. But I'm here super early because I got to work on some things. I go camping with a group of people. And when we go camping, we cook omelets. And I'm not that good at it. And when now look, I'm no beginner on the griddle, but I'm not great at cooking omelets. But I'm fixing to get good. And I'm gonna cook one this morning, and I'm gonna show you step by step what I do. And I need some help because here's the deal. When you go camping with a group of people, they all sit right there around you while you're cooking, and they watching, waiting on you to get done. And I feel pressure. I'm intimidated when people are around me and I'm cooking something I'm not very good at. So we're gonna get good. I'm gonna get good. And I'm gonna show you what I do. And if you comment below if you think you can make me better at making omelets. All right, so look, I got my 22-inch Blackstone Griddle. I got 3 eggs in my shaker here. I'm using canola I'm using canola oil right now, and I do have avocado oil and grapeseed oil, but I hadn't run out of canola oil yet, so that's what we're using. So we're gonna put some oil, spread it around. One thing that I'm having trouble with is the griddle is so hot and those eggs cook so fast. You know, if you overdo eggs, they don't taste very good. So we cook deer sausage and eggs and bacon and hash browns before we come to your job sometimes. So
French fried taters.
If we're moving a little slow, that might be why. See, and if you put them on there too early, they're gonna run all over the place. Rusty's one of the ones that goes camping with us, and he's behind the camera.
Yep.
So
I'm gonna be the omelet guru.
You might be in front of the camera cooking, because you gotta cook too. We're gonna be sitting around you watching. Before you know it, it's gonna be too hot.
Yeah. That's the problem I've always had on mine. That's campground.
It's a fine line.
Yeah.
I feel like
It's gotta be pretty low to cook eggs.
I'm cooking a ham and cheese omelet too. And I mean, I know you can put all kind of stuff in it, so I'm not asking about what else I can put in it. I'm talking about the way it looks, the eggs, you know. And it's seasoned up good. My griddle's seasoned up. I've been cooking on it for a long time, about a year and a half. So it's good and non-stick. I want to be good, man. I want to be, you know, that dude in the campground, in the group. But I'm not right now. I'm nervous, and they know it. You know, when somebody's professional about something, when somebody can do something, man, you just know you can do it. You know that they know they can do it, but I'm not there. We're fixing to be there though. All right, here goes. I think we're okay. I don't know.
Pretty hot.
It's not smoking yet, though. Yeah, it is. All right.
This is 3 eggs.
This is a 3-egg deal here. All right. Oh man, flipping it always makes me nervous. So far, so good. Oh man. I need a plate. Hold on, I'll get it. You stay right here. Oh. All right. So that's my talent level right there. Ham and cheese omelet, 3 eggs. But look, I realize that it's not great. Comment below and let me know what's going on. Let me know, give me some inside tips. Because like I said, I don't want to be that guy. I want to be that guy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.